Ladies and gentlemen, your boy OAP Robin in the house. Let me do a proper introduction. Welcome, Monachito Hashram.
Don't she just look beautiful?
With my volunteer size, I like to dig it, be on the top, and roll it.
Wow, this girl is doing good.
You are a failure!
I'm not a failure.
Listen to me. I can't stay with you. No man has a right to have a hold over your life. Hey, Mama, I got a problem. No! Madam, sex is not capable of giving advice to everybody on their sexual life.
Why can't you just take my career out of this?
Your husband.
Have you been speaking with my husband? I thought I could. You need to get your poking nose out of my business.
Oh my gosh, Ma, Balata 2 está live. That's my girl.
Wow, Mom just is so pretty.
I mean, she acts as if everything is so perfect in her marriage.
No, Abba.
I am working.
You're not always in the mood.